Happy Deepawali to everyone. This time I've thought to make a beautiful rangoli with the tissue papers. Okay, so for this process, first we have to take a bowl of water and then tear the tissue papers in small pieces like this. Okay, and then we have to release all the extra water from this mixture. See how I'm doing? Okay, and then I will use 1 teaspoon of fevicol. Okay, so see 1 teaspoon of fevicol. Okay, and then mix them well like this. And now we are done. Now take some pieces of fevicol and your favorite color, okay, and mix them well in the process which I have shown. Okay, I'm using red color, but if you don't want red color, you can use your desired color. Okay, it's upon you. Mix them well. And one more thing, if you don't have tissue paper, you can also use newspaper or any white paper. The making of the mixture is completed. Now it comes the most easiest step. Okay, we have to apply a coat of fevicol and then we have to adhere them all. बस चिपकाना है. Okay, so I've made the outline on a cardboard. If you don't have cardboard, you can also use MDF board, or you can use in the ground as well. Okay, so see how I'm doing. I'm planing it with any knife. Knife से plane कर रहे हैं, but this step is completely optional. Okay, okay. So see how I'm doing. In case कभी कभी ये होता है that the mixture becomes very much rough, बहुत ज़्यादा rough बन जाता है. So in this case you can also use water. थोड़ा सा water mix करेंगे, it will be very smooth. Okay. So stick in the same process. In case you recreate this art, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle. The link of my Instagram handle is given in the description box. So please go and check that one. One more thing, this time I have decided to decorate a board for the Chhat Puja. So if you have any idea regarding board decoration, then please share me on my Instagram handle. Okay, and you can also comment down in the comment section that how to decorate and what to include in that board decoration. Okay. So इससे पहले I have never decorated any board. मतलब I have decorated the board but not shared on YouTube. Okay, so this is my first attempt sharing the board decoration on YouTube. Again the same process. First we have to apply a coat of fevicol and then stick them all. Okay, so now I'm sticking blue color. So if you know any other color combination, you can use that also, not the same one. Okay, so do in a similar manner. Now it's turn for the most brightest color, that is yellow, and my favorite one also. Okay, so as I've said before, if your mixture is very much rough, you can use water. I've used a little amount of water also to make it smooth. Okay, If you like, you can also highlight your borders, the outline, with white tissue paper. Okay, it will highlight your borders. So what you have to do for this process? First, you have to take a bowl of water, okay, and then tear the small pieces of tissue paper, okay, and then soak them in water. Release all the extra water, remove all the extra water. Use at least half teaspoon of Fevicol and then mix them well. To make it more brighter, to make the color more brighter, you can also use white acrylic paints, okay, and then after applying a coat of white acrylic paints, mix them well. And now you are done. And now apply on the borders. Now we have reached to the end part of this video. I hope you must have enjoyed the video and find this video useful. If yes, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Okay, and if you have any query regarding this video or any other video, you can always comment down in the comment section. I'll be happy to review your comments.